Greetings, friends. This is Jay from ProMarketingAdvisor.com, checking in on a kind of a lazy Saturday afternoon, talking to you about the letter Q. Q for quality. You guys knew that was coming, didn't you? After watching all the rest of these, you're pretty much convinced that this is basic stuff. These are basic blocking and tackling principles and ideas that if you follow them, you can generally make a pretty good living for yourself and build some wealth and build a family income that will be helpful and just be a great idea. Quality. My dad used to always tell me when we were in the process of building custom equipment for pickup trucks that if you had quality product, you didn't have to worry about the lawsuits and the guarantees and the warranties, because the product would speak for itself. So to keep that in mind, and then finding a way to quantify the quality. How do you measure it? How do you make sure that you're still hitting that as the best you can and convinced that you're building a good thing or selling a good product, and doing everything you can to make sure that what you're doing is the best that you can possibly do. Take a look at what I've got written. I've got some more instruction and some counsel on building quality in your business, and then also take a look at the links I've got to ways that you can build your lead magnets and your lead capture pages and help do that. Thank you for stopping by and sharing a minute plus a little bit more with me today, and I'll talk to you again.